Episode 15, here we come. The final stage. Huh? Wait, shouldn't it be the starship we used to get here? Oh no. Okay, I was supposed to push left trigger to get to the final stage. And I pushed the right trigger, so we got back to the beginning. In other words, I'm an idiot. Well, okay. I hope you're fine with hanging in there a bit longer with me, because I'm just stupid to play this game. Okay, the question is there a normal teleporter here? There's a final teleporter here. Okay, activated, and this time I'm going to watch what I... An overloading magma worm! Sure, why not? Why not? I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh, jeez, that's not funny. How much damage is this thing doing? This is... Yeah, thanks, I know I'm dying. Okay. Oh! Ghosts. Okay, it's going to be a massive challenge just surviving this and maybe trying to kill the magma worm. Stun grenades or go! Okay. No, don't get close to me. Your static electricity is kind of painful. And I don't want anything to do with it. I mean, I'm dealing damage, but at what rate? Okay, it would be insanely useful to actually get some money in here. Which I guess I'm doing. Not fast and... Oh no. What am I going to do? I mean, I'm doing something which is better than nothing, but... Does my shield protect me? Yes, because it doesn't even attack me. Which would be... Nope, I'm still taking damage. I'm still taking way too much damage. No, stay away from me. Don't want to die, just... Oh no. Well, this was a completely futile struggle. I'm kind of angry at myself here. But, you know, I hope that was a frantic... Hey, I even got killed by a jellyfish. Well, of course I did, because I was too busy dodging the damn magma worm. Oh well, I hope you had fun. Because I certainly did. So yeah, see you for the second run of the Enforcer, because I have yet to unlock any other classes. But I'm doing pretty well with this, so see you next time.